Welcome to a training video on TSI Certifier Flow Analyzers. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to mount the Certifier Plus Test System to a ventilator. The Certifier Plus Flow Analyzer is a portable, multi-function test system that's used to service ventilators, anesthesia machines, and other respiratory medical devices. One helpful feature of the Certifier Plus is its ability to be mounted to the device under test. And with the Certifier mounting kit, you can easily attach your certifier to a ventilator rail, IV pole, mobile cart, and more. Most ventilators have a rail or a handle built in so that they can be more easily transported between rooms in a hospital or transported when used in the field. While performing service on these devices, the Certifier Plus can be clamped onto the ventilator's rail to help biomeds save benchtop space and secure their test equipment from accidental drops. The mounting system is strong enough to hold the entire test setup of the certifier, test lung, and tubing. And mounting also helps to optimize the positioning of your test instrument, making it easier for you to quickly compare readings between the ventilator and the flow analyzer. The Certifier Plus mounting kit is comprised of a double socket arm, clamp, and adapter plate. The adapter plate can hold the Certifier Plus interface module and either the high flow module or low flow module. The thumb screws quickly connect the Certifier Plus interface module by hand, and because the screws are integrated into the adapter plate, this will prevent them from becoming lost. To mount your Certifier Plus, attach your modules to the mounting plate, your interface module and your flow module, and then plug the flow module into your interface using the coiled cable. The Certifier flow module can be attached to the adapter plate in two different orientations. Some biomeds prefer to have the flow module mounted upside down in order to allow for greater access to the connectors which are located on the top of the flow module. Note, however, that in this upside down orientation, that would flip the flow direction as measured by the module. And so this would need to be accounted for when attaching the ventilator tubing. Once your certifier modules are connected to the mount, clamp the assembled mount onto the ventilator rail and then adjust the double jointed arm to optimize the positioning of your certifier for testing. When your testing is completed, remove the mounted certifier from the ventilator rail and disconnect the flow modules from the adapter plate. You do not need to disassemble the mounting kit parts. Instead, just adjust the double socket arm to flatten the mount so that it can be stored in your carrying case. Remember to cap the ends of your flow modules when not in use to protect them from dust or debris. That's it for today. Follow me for more tips.